from a person who's been riding for more than 50 odd years plus, a piece of advice you would give to new riders or who is pursuing कि आप राइडिंग जर्नी अपनी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं?
जो मेरा एक वो स्लोगन है ना, जो मैं हमेशा दोहराते रहता हूँ, लिव टू डू इट अगेन। दैट इज समथिंग which is very important. If you're getting into this ride, you must ride over and over again. But then there are two aspects to that. One thing is you have to survive to do it, and the other is the social front part of it. So let's talk about the survival part. So, first thing, if you want to be a good rider, you must learn to respect your machine. You must learn to respect the surroundings around you. You must have empathy so that wherever you go, you're able to read people, understand their needs, understand their culture. Okay? It's very important. Otherwise, if you're a misfit, you'll end up with some trouble. You must know your machine well, okay? Because you have to be absolutely self reliant. There's nobody who can help you. You will slowly learn to start taking decisions on your own. Maybe not the first time, and you don't take the correct decision the first time, but with experience, you learn to do that. As you become a regular rider, then you get into a state where you start doing introspecting on yourself. That makes you a better person at the end of it. The social part of it is you have a family, you have your parents. वो चिंता में हमेशा रहते हैं कि आप जब निकल जाते हो, तो उस चिंता को दूर करने का एक ही तरीका है that you have to at all times behave very rationally. They must believe in you that you are a rational person and you will not do anything stupid so that you can come back home safe. Moment that trust is lost, if anything happens to you, then I'm very sure your family will not allow you to go out again. And your dreams of wanting to continue to do it will not happen. So it's very important that you maintain your rationality at all times. Now, when you're talking about maintaining rationality, it also means that you are also taking care of your surroundings around you, people around you. Okay. So that is another very important aspect that when you're on a ride, okay, if you are with some other people around, you have to be able to accommodate those people. If you're going alone, then it's a matter of your own survival. Then in that case, you have to be looking for goodness from other people. And for goodness from other people, one very important thing is you cannot lose your humility. So you have to be humble. You have to know the machine. You have to be a rational person and build trust with people.